This is definitely historic. Hey news friends, back with another video. Today we're going to be talking about Falcon Heavy and its successful launch. So yesterday, SpaceX successfully launched Falcon Heavy, one of the most powerful rockets on the planet. It took off from Cape Canaveral, Florida at 3:45 Eastern Standard Time on Tuesday afternoon. The mission was just to see if they could get payload to space. And speaking of payload, the payload for the mission was Elon Musk's red Tesla Roadster and his space dummy Starman. Gotta love the don't panic message on the display screen. In addition to a successful launch, 2 of the 3 rocket cores landed back on Earth, and they even landed upright. The third core didn't land as intended on a drone ship in the Atlantic. There was a malfunction with one of the engines, and it hit the water at 300 miles an hour, about 100 meters away from the ship, spraying the deck with debris. Anyway, so not only is Musk leading the way on future expeditions, and helping us explore the possibility of inhabiting Mars one day, he's even being eco-friendly and using his tech to return the cores to a landing pad, and upright at that. This guy is seriously a genius! A few quick stats on how much power this rocket actually has. It has 27 engines, 5 million pounds of thrust, and can carry 140,000 pounds of cargo into lower Earth orbit. That's twice as much as any other operational rocket today. So what does this successful launch mean? It means it could boost our national security for one. More power means sending heavier satellites into space. Sending more cargo, landers, NASA type stuff if needed for future exploration. We don't have to rely on the Russians for rockets anymore. More military missions to strengthen our defense if needed. A cheaper option to get to space. Falcon Heavy costs about $90 million per flight. The next closest powerful rocket, the Delta IV Heavy, costs about $350 million per flight. I could go on and on, but what I want to say is, I'm super impressed with this guy. Congrats to him and his team for paving the way for future space exploration. The ultimate goal is to get to Mars, of course, and to explore the planet, and as Musk says, to be a multi-planetary species. Which I agree with. This planet's not going to last forever with all the global warming and damage us humans have done to it already. This is an important step for humanity and our future well-being. I think it'd be great if we could someday live on Mars also, because Earth is seriously running out of room. And what an exciting day it was! What's your reaction to the successful launch? Does Mars interest you more now? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And remember, until next time, this is Nukem384 saying I'll see you when I see ya.